All right, this is my review of the Pledge Everyday Clean Multi-Surface Wipes with a citrus scent. First of all, my name is Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. So I like to have heavy-duty cleaners for at home for spray on stuff for like counters, bathroom, like cabinets, all that kind of stuff. But I also like to have wipes that are just easily accessible. Say something needs to be wiped down real quick. These are great for that. They're super versatile. You can use this on stainless steel. You can use it on windows, glass, wood, laminate. You can use it on a desk like this. And I'm even seeing spots that it's cleaning up. And the thing about this is it also just, dude, it makes you love cleaning because your house, your car, whatever it is, it just smells so good afterwards. So I like keeping these out because it actually keeps me just cleaning more. I highly recommend trying these out. I think these are just going to be your go-to wipes because these are the ones we just have on hand. I mean, I think I have like 5 or 10 of these packs just in my cabinet, ready to go whenever I need them. Give these a shot. I think these are going to be something that you add to your arsenal.